A reaction coming in from Yashwant Sinha on the IPL crisis now. He says that there are enough laws. The point is that they should be enforced. Let's listen in to what the leader has said.
We have with us senior member of the BJP, Mr. Yashwant Sinha. Mr. Sinha, you've seen, in the recent past, IPL has now embroiled into a huge controversy. It's getting murkier with each passing day. There is a theory that it's not only the three players. I believe there was a standing committee report in finance which you had talked about it. If you can give us details regarding that.
In the standing committee, we had not taken up the issue of spot fixing or match fixing. We had taken up the issues of violation of laws, like the Foreign Exchange Management Act, like the income tax laws, like service tax laws, like the violation of the Reserve Bank of India rules and guidelines in the conduct of IPL matches. We had suspicion, which was confirmed, that a lot of black money was brought into the IPL teams. And we therefore examined this matter in much detail. We called the BCCI top brass, we called the Ministry of Finance officials, RBI officials, and the tax authorities. Then we gave our report in which we pointed out all these irregularities and violation of laws, as well as the fact that black money would have come into the country through various routes. Unfortunately, the government did not act on the report, or has not acted on the report as proactively as it should have. That would have brought many of these illegalities to a stop. Now, what we are witnessing today is a totally new situation, and that is that my own feeling is that through these IPL matches, we have changed the character of the game of cricket. And the IPL is nothing but a den of gambling. There is less cricket and more of gambling in the IPL. And the spot fixing or match fixing doesn't appear to be confined to a few players and a few bookies. It appears to be a widespread net and going into the past also. It's not only this year, but also in previous years that such incidents appear to have taken place. So what is needed is a detailed inquiry, in-depth inquiry into who all are involved in this spot fixing, match fixing, who are responsible for reducing the game of cricket to into a den of gambling, and action should be taken under the law against all these people, however high and mighty they may be, however glamorous they may be. They must all be brought to book, and they should be brought to justice.
Mr. Sinha, do you think banning IPL is the way out? Because the seasons after seasons this is happening. It's only now that such a huge scam has broken out, and details have come out, and these three players have been caught along with more bookies.
Yeah, well, for the time being, the Supreme Court has not agreed to ban IPL, but let's see. I'll reserve my judgment. Let's see how the inquiries move, and who are the people who appear to be involved. I mean, obviously, BCCI consists of a large number of eminent people, including ministers of the government. And, BCCI is supposed to be overseeing this. And we had clearly pointed out that the BCCI had failed to regulate IPL in the manner in which it should have been regulated. Now, again, this failure has come into the open, and if the BCCI president or people close to him are involved in this betting and fixing, then it's a very serious matter.
What about the law? Even Kapil Sibal, the new law minister, is mulling over a law on spot fixing. They're saying to make it criminal. Do you think that is feasible and that is the way out? There
are already enough laws in this country. After the Delhi gang rape on the 16th of December, we have passed a new law. There was a law. There are laws. The question is one of enforcement, proper enforcement. Now, we can't, for every situation, we shouldn't have we shouldn't think in terms of a new law. But I am not arguing on that point at all. Let them bring a new law. against betting and fixing, which will apply not only to cricket but to all other sports also. But the existing laws are sufficient to book the guilty and take action against them. The most stringent action can be taken even under the existing laws.